guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to cancel your auto pay subscription for your JioHotstar. Okay, so for this guys, you can try this method. So open the Hotstar app on your phone, and in the bottom right side corner of your screen you can get my spaces option. Just tap on it. From here open the account settings, and here you can get the option cancel. Upgrade or cancel. If you want to cancel, so just tap on cancel button, and from here you need to cancel this subscription. Okay, so this is the first method. So one more method is this guys. If you want to cancel the auto pay, I have take the subscription through my UPI ID through Google Pay. So in the Google Pay you can get the option to cancel. So just launch your Google Pay app on your phone, go to your profile settings like this, and here you can get auto pay option and select the your current plan. So this is the JioHotstar plan. As you can see guys, if you want to cancel the auto pay, just tap on cancel auto pay and confirm with your Google Pay pin, and that's it. It will cancel the auto pay for your JioHotstar. Okay, so these are the easy and simple method to cancel the auto pay subscription for JioHotstar. So that's today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.